I'm Chad Kubick, President of Kubick Aviation. Welcome to the next level. I believe in honesty and giving a quality product. I stand behind everything we do. I always have. We're a partner in aviation. One of the things we try to establish is a solid relationship. Between all of us, we've got over 100 years of experience working on twin Cessnas. We know how to take care of them and make them run well for the customer. We know the quirks and all the little things and the nuances. We're not parts changers. We actually go after and find the root cause of the problem. So we try to minimize the customer's expense. We troubleshoot down to make sure that the parts that we're going to change, we have verified are not performing correctly.
I think one of the reasons we hear good reviews about what we do is we go a little bit above and beyond. When it comes to troubleshooting the airplane's electrical systems, hydraulic systems, we've touched on every part of that airplane. We get things done on a timely manner, knowing that we've done our best, quality is done, the airplane is safe, and it's ready to fly.
My role as a quality assurance is to make sure that everything that we do here is up to a high standard of quality. Our culture here is based on customer satisfaction. It's based on doing quality work, it's based on a good environment where people work together and people share knowledge and are constantly learning to better themselves and making sure that we're the best at what we do. Something that we're proud of with the experience that we have and the quality of the guys that we have.
They go the extra mile to make sure that everything is done properly. There's a lot of experience in this building.
I want to give them something with value and functionality, and I want them to leave here and feel safe when they're flying their plane, knowing that they had people that know what they're doing working on it. It's important that they know how to operate it, so we have our lead pilot who'll go up and fly with them for an hour, a couple hours, however long it takes for them to learn how to use the system. Their life's at our hands. They're going to leave here trained and feel comfortable that they won't have any questions that they'll be calling us back with.
Being customer driven is very important at Kubick Aviation. We have to take care of our customers, number one. I think that's the whole purpose of being here. So everything we touch, everything we do, I think that we try our best to do the best job we can. I think that reflects, which I'm very proud of.